Hey, it's Saturday, August the 30th of 2025. My name is Tom, and this is your AmCon Daily Brief. On today's show, the evacuation order has lifted, but coming home may bring its own set of challenges. Let's get into it. The drive home feels like a relief. After days on the road, you pull into the neighborhood, see your house is still standing, and actually breathe a little easier. The hard part feels over. But the reality of recovery shows up pretty fast. You open the fridge and, the smell hits you first. The freezer contents are lost, and a trip to the store reveals, empty shelves from the last wave of panic buying. At home, there's minor damage, a leaky roof, some water pooled on the floor, maybe tree branches scattered across the yard. But the relief of being home quickly shifts to the work of recovery. And that's when you realize preparedness doesn't end when the evacuation or the order lifts or the crisis ends. It just shifts into a new phase. First, food security doesn't end at the store. If your only plan is to restock on fresh groceries the day you get home, you'll be in trouble when the shelves are stripped bare. Having a reserve of shelf-stable food, things in cans, dry goods, meals that don't require refrigeration, all those things give your family breathing room while the supply chain resets. Second, water is always the first need. Don't assume the pipes are safe the moment you turn the tap. Contaminated or disrupted water systems are common after storms and outages. Test your water or fall back on stored supplies. Keep you and your family safe until the utilities are truly reliable again. And finally, remember that recovery is part of preparedness. It's not just about surviving the event. It's about resetting after the event. Do you have tools and materials to make quick repairs? Do you have a tarp to throw over the leaky roof? Do you have a budget to replace what was lost? Do you have a plan for how your family can ease back into normal routines? Preparedness that doesn't include recovery planning is only half finished. It's not just about the crisis moment. It's about resilience after the crisis. So here's your challenge for today. Do a quick inventory of your shelf-stable meals today. How many days could you feed your household without a refrigerator or the grocery store? The average in America is 3 days. Aim for that. Aim for at least 3 days, but more is better. Start building that reserve now so the next time you come home from a disruption, you've already got food security waiting for you. Because recovery is easier when you don't have to figure out dinner on top of everything else. Tomorrow, we're going to close out this evacuation story with a Sunday reflection, how to capture the lessons, grow from them, and prepare for what comes next. Thanks so much for listening to the AmCon Daily Brief. If you're already a member, be sure to check out that members-only platform on your phone or on the website. And if you're not a member yet, you can do so with great ease. Just head over to AmericanContingency.com and join the network that helps you build real resilience today. My name is Tom. Stay alert, stay ready, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.